Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix LiftMaster Error Code 1 to 5 motor control. Issue explained and step-by-step fix. Fix 1. Check the manual release handle. Locate the red emergency release cord hanging from the garage door open tray. Put the release handle firmly to ensure the carriage is properly connected to the trolley. Manually lift the garage door halfway. Pull the release cord toward the opener until you hear it click into place. Press the wall control or remote to test whether the opener is operating normally. Fix 2. Inspect the safety sensors. Locate the photo eye sensors near the bottom of the both sides of the garage door trap. Clean the sensor lenses using a soft, dry cloth. Check that both sensor indicator lights are illuminated steadily. If a light is blinking or off, loosen the mounting wing nut and adjust the sensor until it aligns directly with the opposite sensor. Tighten the mounting hardware once both lights remain solid. Fix 3. Check sensor wiring. Follow the sensor wires from the photo eyes back to the opener. Inspect for loose, disconnected, pinched or damaged wires. Reconnect any loose terminals at the opener. Replace damaged wiring if necessary. Test the garage door operation again. Fix 4. Perform a power reset. Unplug the LiftMaster opener from the power outlet or switch off the circuit breaker. Leave the unit disconnected for 30 to 60 seconds. Restore power to the opener. Allow the system to complete its startup sequence. Test the door to see if the error code has cleared. Fix 5. Reprogram the travel limits. Locate the up and down travel adjustment buttons on the opener. Enter the travel programming mode according to your opener model. Set the fully open position of the garage door. Set the fully closed position. Run a complete open and close cycle to confirm proper operation. Fix 6. Check door balance. Disconnect the opener using the manual release handle. Open and close the garage door by hand. The door should move smoothly and stay near the halfway position when released. If the door feels unusually heavy, drops quickly, or rises on its own, the springs may need adjustment or replacement. Do not attempt to repair garage door springs yourself. Contact a professional technician. Fix 7. Inspect for hardware failure. If error code 1 to 5 remains after completing the previous steps, the travel module may be defective, the motor control board may have failed, internal motor components may require service or replacement. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.